our cake. God is here and I am back on YouTube. I'm officially back. I am officially back. I have been gone for way too long, but I'm back. And I am here with an unboxing as my first video back. Now, all my past videos have been put to private because they're a little embarrassing and don't make sense. So yeah, they're on private. But anyways, I am here with an unboxing. I finally got my hands on the Zv-e10. Now, I will be doing this unboxing now, along with a few other things that I have bought to go along with this camera. Stick around if you want to know what I got. Now, I am recording on my 12 Pro Max, but once I unbox this, no more. Now, you got the pamphlets in here, preparing you how to use your camera, how to connect it to everything. And now, here is the camera. It's inside this bag. Windscreen. Now this helps you, it covers the mic so that way if there's any wind or any background noise, it kind of isolates it. The brick is connected to the wall. The battery to put inside the camera. Charger and neck strap. This is the neck strap and the charger. Now for the best part, I did get the Zv-e10 and I got it in white, obviously. Absolutely beautiful. Microphone jack there. And oh, my lights turned off. My phone's probably overheating. Headset jack, HDMI port. This is where you put your tripod. You screw it on right here. And you open it just like that. There's a little lever here. You slide to the right. And it opens where you're going to put your battery. Here. And then this is where you put your SD card. To the right there. I'm not sure if you can really see that, but yeah. And you have to slide it back to the left in order to lock it in. And here I am. Hi. I'm so excited. And now we're gonna switch the footage. Put the battery back in. Well, I put the battery in. I just want to hop on and show you guys how to put the windscreen on. Now it has a little groove here. Now it's not like this, it's like this because here's the mic. You slide it in just like that. And it covers your mic. And voila. And the battery is in. I haven't put my memory card in just yet. I will show you that in a second. Let me go ahead and get that. And I did get the Vlogger Kit. It comes with the tripod and a 64GB Sony memory card that I will be putting into my camera now. And yeah, let's do this unboxing. And then one here, but we're not gonna go through that. So it comes with a desk bag, a black desk bag. Beautiful. Oh, it feels, oh, that's really nice material. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it feels really nice. And here it is. And obviously you have buttons here where you can actually take photos and videos without having to actually touch the camera. So you can, I believe you can Bluetooth with this tripod if I'm not mistaken. And you screw on the camera on the top. A camera with the memory card. I've already attached the camera to the tripod. It looks good. It looks good. Start recording. Hello. I am back. obviously I'm wearing something totally different than what I was wearing in the previous clip. And I have a full face of makeup on. And I need to finish my hair. I can't film the rest of the unboxing just yet because I still need a lens. I recently bought one. Oh, I'm sorry. Today is December 4th, Saturday. I recently bought a lens and I am waiting on it to arrive. It will be here next week on Monday or Tuesday, and I'm getting my nails done on Tuesday. Don't mind the state of them. I just wanted to film this to let you guys know that yeah, I'm going out. I'm going to the movies. I haven't gone to the movies in years, and I need to reapply my lashes. I'm using this Kiss, if it will focus. There you go. The Kiss Lash Glue Liner in black. Now, I used it, but my lashes aren't sticking. Now, I don't know if I'm doing something wrong by not applying enough, maybe because I did a thin line and then I applied it on the actual lash itself and it's not sticking. It's not sticking. I don't know why, but I'm gonna try again. And you guys are gonna watch me struggle as I do this. Yes, you guys are gonna watch me struggle. I still need to do my hair. This shirt is from Zara. I got it last year, 2020. I still need to do my hair and I still need to reapply my lashes because as you can see, the corner is just not sticking. Shake, shake, shake. I'm just hoping my phone doesn't fall because I don't have my tripod with me right now. It's in the other room. And I currently am too lazy to go get it because I still need to do my hair. And I'm on time. I'm not late. I just like getting ready early because I don't want to run into the risk of doing my makeup in a way that I don't like and then having to redo it, especially since I didn't know how I was going to do my makeup in the first place. I knew I was going to do a red lip, but I didn't know what else I was going to do. I didn't know if I was going to do eyeshadow or no eyeshadow. I ended up going with no eyeshadow. So let's try this out, shall we? Oh, this is so hard without the tweezers. I usually use tweezers, especially when I have on nail extensions, you know, when I get my nails done, especially when I got the acrylics on. I usually use tweezers and it's not sticking. Can you see? The struggle is so real, you guys. The struggle is so real. Oh, it's sticking. Yay. Okay, so I needed to wait for it to get a little tacky. Okay. Like normal glue. Okay, so far so good. So, oh, no, not good because it's lifting. Okay. Okay, now it's staying, I guess. Please stay. I want to look pretty. This is irking my nerve. Whew, I feel like I was choking. Goodness gracious. Like, I love me a good turtleneck, but baby, this right here was a little too high up for me. And that noise you're hearing in the background is my daughter. We are going to go see an early screening of Journal for Jordan, starring Michael B Jordan, and I am a part of his fan club. And it is not a normal fan club. Our main focus, I like how straight it is. I kind of want to leave it like this, but then it's like, no, all at the same time. I could at least, like, I think I'm going to pass the iron over it a little. Get it organized. I keep messing with the lash because it's not on the way I would like it to be. Like, if you can tell, it's like, I don't know. Anyways, I have it on. Conair flat iron. That's all I know. I don't know what year I got it, because it's not mine, it's my mother's. Not very good when it comes to doing my own hair. When it comes to doing my daughter's hair, sure, I could do it, but my own, eh. Isn't it so funny, like how, like, oh! I've been thinking about LASIK for years now, but when Aaliyah Face got it, I was like, and you can see now, sis. Oh, okay, because I have sunglasses that there's literally no point in me having them, because I can't wear them, because I literally cannot see well without my glasses. I don't like saying I can't see because I'm not blind. I just can't see well. So I'm doing my best to say I cannot see well instead of saying I can't see, because I can see. I'm not blind. And I feel like it's unfair to those who literally can't see to say that you cannot see when you actually can see. You just can't see well. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. But yeah, I just need to flat iron the top. I'm just gonna straighten it. I like how it looks straight because it's really bringing my face, like, you know, does that make sense? Like, do you get what I'm saying? Do you feel me? You feel me? Somebody in the comments is understanding what I'm saying. I will be back when I am doing my hair. And okay, I have started. I've just done the front a little bit, and I've just bumped the ends a little, not too much, because I want to retain the length. I don't want them to be so curled up that they're like way up here. What are you doing, baby? Are you trying to hide?
Ow.
You okay?
Pee.
Yo. And I'm using a rat tail comb. Like I said, I'm only bumping the ends a little bit, not too much. I don't want who do I look like? I look like oh, that meme with the doll where she's like, she got the bangs but she looks drunk, and like they always use it for the drunk. I'll insert the picture here. Oh my goodness. Trust the process, sweetie. Trust the process. If this ain't the perfect example of trust the process. Alrighty, I am almost done. I'm doing like a waterfall effect. Kind of. I don't know, I may put it to the side. Or keep it in the middle, I'm not sure yet. But I'm just flat ironing as I go. And when I grab my pieces, I'm grabbing small pieces because you don't want to grab too big of pieces, like that big. And I comb it through. And what I do is I do it straight until I get to the very tip, and then I turn my flat iron so that way it's only the ends that are getting turned. So I'm literally bumping my ends, that's it. So I don't want it to be like, I want it to just, you feel me? The back is the tricky part because it's shorter than the front and the middle. So I just have to make sure I'm gripping it real good. But like I said, trust the process. This is the hard part because I always want this part to be flat, like this part, but it never wants to lay down, so I'll just do this while it's cooling down, so that way when it's cool, it'll be flat like that. And done, I guess, maybe, I don't know. If my hair would cooperate with me, you know, I can leave it in the front. Now I gotta clean up the rest of the stuff because I was doing my makeup in here and I need to clean up, so I'll be right back. I was watching Age of Adeline. I love that movie. It's one of my favorites. But good morning. It is December 6th, 5th, 6th. As you can see from the last clip, I went to the movies. I went to the movies and it was so much fun. I haven't been to the movies in years. And it was so much fun to like dress up. You know what I mean? Like, you know, because we've been, you know, on lockdown and all these things. And I'm a homebody myself. So lockdown wasn't necessarily like a bad thing for me when it came to like just being home. It was fun. It was just like, for my daughter, it was just a little hard because she wanted, you know, she's a child. She wants to play outside and be with other kids. So it was a little hard to explain that to her, that like, it's not possible right now to do that. Yeah, I am still vlogging on my phone. My lens for my camera should be getting here today or tomorrow. So once that gets in, I will do an unboxing. I will unbox it in this vlog. And what I'll do also is once I get it, once I unbox it and everything, I'll transfer the footage from my phone to my camera, so I'll just automatically start vlogging on my camera. I can't see not a darn thing through this fog. Like, hold on. Absolutely nothing. Tomorrow is Tuesday, and I am going to get my nails done because I cut my nails, one, to get used to this length, because this is the length I'm going to go for, because I've decided to cut them shorter. I've decided to go shorter from here on out, because if I'm going to be doing YouTube, I'm going to be on my computer. So I'm going to need to be typing and all these things, and with my long nails, with how long I usually get them, it's not practical. So I've decided to go shorter, so I cut my long nails to get used to the length, so that way once I actually, you know, get them done and they're short, it's not like a shock to my system. You know what I mean? It's not a shock to me, so it's like, okay, you know, I'm used to them now, so when I do get them done, it'll be fine. So I get them done tomorrow. I already set my nail type, the design that I want. It's gonna be very Christmassy, very festive. Like I was saying, I get them done Tuesday, and then I get my hair done Thursday the 9th. So I will be vlogging all of this. I will be vlogging everything on my camera, so the quality will be a lot better. I'm gonna eat though. That emergency brake be loud. It just be squeak, just a squeak. Anyways, I will link this hat below. It's a Naruto hat, as you can probably tell, and so is my shirt. I will link this down below. I will not be linking this down below because it will be in the upcoming haul. So once that haul is up, you'll know where this is from, and I'll show it to you. And yes, I was wearing this in an earlier clip with the camera unboxing and tech unboxing and everything. So it's a different day, obviously, but I'm wearing the same shirt because I love the shirt. And I love this flannel, or shacket, if you will. Speaking of movies, if you haven't seen A Journal for Jordan, please go see it. It is coming out on the 26th. Christmas. I'll look it up. I believe it's Christmas. But if you haven't seen it yet, I would definitely recommend watching it, because Michael B Jordan and Shantae Adams did an amazing job with just telling that story of First Sergeant Charles Monroe King and Dana. Like, I have no words. And the cinematography, so with Denzel and his DP, they did an amazing job with the cinematography, with the, just with how they showed everything. It was done really well. The acting was so great. The cinematography was amazing. Just the shots of every scene, it felt like you were in the moment, and I love that. I love when a director can, you know, show you clips, and, you know, while you're watching the movie, you feel like you're in it and you're not just watching it. You know what I'm saying? You're in it. You're like a fly on the wall. So it was a really good movie. I'm not gonna spoil it for you. I don't want to say anything. I just wanted to tell you, you gotta watch it. You gotta watch it. It's so good. No children, okay? No children, unless you plan on covering your ears and covering their eyes. No kids. No kids. Don't bring any kids with you while you're watching that movie. Yeah. So I'm gonna go inside, go eat, and I will talk to you guys in a second. Leg up. Hello. It is December 7th, Tuesday, and I am on my way to get my nails done. And you guys are coming along with me. I did a little makeup. I'm wearing my God is Dope hoodie, Calvin Klein bag, sweatpants from Walmart, and my Air Force Ones. Let's go. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but Kelly did an amazing job. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if I can fix that. It's a snowflake. I thought it was very festive. I'll link her information down below so you guys can come to her. Hello, I am back home. I hope you guys could hear me in that last clip. I was using my phone because my battery is actually dying on my camera. But I am currently using my tripod. I totally forgot it at home, which is why the clips that you are seeing from my camera is a little wonky because I was holding it the entire time. So hold on, let's get some better lighting. My kitchen has the best lighting in this house. If I'm gonna be. Yeah. And yeah. And I will come back when my battery is fully charged and I'm actually doing something. I just want to show you guys real quickly what I got. I just ordered some food from Panda Express. I got fried rice with orange chicken and honey walnut shrimp, and it is so good. So good. I just wish that I had some duck sauce. I was only provided soy sauce, but it is what it is. But it's so good. So good. Anyways, that's it. Lego. Alright, so I've decided this is what I'm gonna make because I'm not that hungry, like I said. Put the hot water in the kettle. Am I the only one that adds hot sauce? Well, not hot sauce, but red peppers to their ramen. Like, I add red peppers, crushed red peppers to everything. Like, I don't know what it is. I've always been like that, and then I've continued to do so. I'm 28 years old and I'm still doing it, and I'm not saying that it's a bad thing, but it's like I add red peppers, crushed red peppers to everything. And I also add like regular black peppers. There's something on my lens. Okay. But yeah. So comment down below if there's anything specific you guys would like to see, like if you want to see a makeup tutorial or outfit ideas or anything like that. You guys can let me know. You guys can comment down below on anything specific you guys want to see. This lip is from Beautiful Girl by Hope. She is one of my friends. I love her. She is the president of the Michael B Jordan FanClub and community service organization. I will link this down below. I will link it down below, and I'll put the name of it on the screen because I can't remember it off the top of my head, but it is such a cute brown. It's such a cute brown. I love it, and it goes so well with my skin tone, and I feel like it would go well with any skin tone. But yeah, there you guys go. I just wanted to show it to you. That mask took off my makeup like it was nothing. Like it was nothing. But yeah, if you guys would like a makeup tutorial, comment down below. Hello, hello, hello. I hope you like the little montage of me getting ready. I tried. I tried. I am on my way to go get my hair done. I've already got these bad boys done. I've been going to this hairstylist for a very long time now, and I trust him with my hair. Like, he does a really good job when it comes to doing my... Oh, I am so sorry. As you can see, I still have some texture on my skin, but it's getting better. It's getting so much better. So getting my hair done, and then I don't think I'll be doing anything else later on today. Oh, bless me. Thank you, Jesus. It's the Revolution ring, multicolored, because it's a whole bunch of different colors on it. But it's one of my favorites. And my Christian Dior ring, and my Michael Kors watch that my mom gave me. I put on the hydrating mask. It's really good. It's one of my favorite sleeping masks, besides the Laneige one and the pink bottle. The one that's in the pink bottle, the sleeping mask in the pink jar, I should say. It's a jar. It's so cute and it's so hydrating. It's so good. So good. Yeah. Shirt is from... Oh, I'll link it down below. I don't remember where my shirt's from. My jacket is from... My bomber jacket is from Forever 21, but I got it a long time ago, so I don't even think Forever 21 still has it. My tights are gray. They're from Walmart, and I have on my Huaraches. I'll link everything down below, as per usual. Every outfit that I have in this video that you see, I'm gonna try and do my best to link everything down below. This beanie was from H&M, and I don't think they have it anymore because I got it last year. So this is my bag. It's my tote. It's from Coach, and it was a gift from Coach. And I want to just say thank you so much, Coach, for this bag. I absolutely love it. I love this bag. It's so cute, and it fits all my stuff. They gave me this bag, and they were doing like a giveaway on their site, not on their site, but their Instagram, and I won. And a few of my friends from the Michael B Jordan FanClub won as well, and it was so cool. It was so cool. There it is. So if you're in the Orlando area, that's where I go to get my hair done. Hello. I am back home from the hair salon. Bro, look, don't play with me. Don't play. Don't play. Come on, look, get into it. Get into the hair. Hopefully you can see the back. If not, I'll insert the clip from my phone that I took. But bro, Thomas always kills it. I keep knocking my camera on my screen. Yes, I'm in the kitchen again. Don't come for me. But bro, get into it. Get into the hair with the curls and the waves. You feel me? You feel me? I'll leave his information down below. His Instagram, the address, everything. Cool. I'll leave everything down below. I think we should do a haul. Let's do a haul. Lego. Alright, I'm back. And I am going to do the unboxing now. And excuse the rinky-dink setting. The first thing that I want to show you guys is this. And I got a pair of shades from Desi. Now these are the, I don't remember, I've had these for a while. These are the pair Switch. And I love the fact that they have the name. Let's see, it says it right here, Switch. And then on the other side it says Desi. So cute and very sturdy, which I know, like, it just means that they're gonna last me a long time. The fact that it comes with a dust bag. The next thing I got, and this is what I got from the VIB sale. Oh my gosh. And I know it's done, it's over, the VIB sale's no more, but hey. This, I got the Refi Brow Kit. It comes with a gel, pomade, and pencil. And it looks like this. Now, if you just hold the bottom, it has a comb on either side. So it's like comb and then like bristles. So you can comb up your brows.
That's cool.
And if you twist, spoolie with the gel inside. Love it. The medium. And on one side, this is the packaging. So cute, so cute. So sleek. I love the gray. On one side, you have the pencil. And on the other side, you have the spoolie. Which I absolutely love. Miss Hunt, you did your thing. You did your thing with this kit. And this is the pomade. So the bottom portion is the pomade itself. And then on the other side is the little brush. And it's an angled brush, which is so cute. Got my hands on the Pat McGrath Blush. Now this is a Divine Blush in shade Electric Bloom. I'll put the name down below, but it's called Electric Blush. Electric Bloom, I'm sorry. This is the packaging. I love the packaging. This is it. Maybe that should help with the lights. Like 20s vibe, like 1920s. Here is the blush. It does have a little bit of shimmer to it. Alright. Like I said, the blush is absolutely beautiful. I am not going to be doing any swatches just yet. I'll do a makeup tutorial and you can see it in that. Also, what I got during the VIB sale is this Cinema Secrets Pro Cosmetics makeup brush cleaner. Now this is a quick drying one. It's rinse free. It's a rinse free form. Yes. And this actually works very well. As you can see, I've already started using it. It's not full anymore. But like I said, it's really, really good. I actually used it the other day when I did my makeup for the movies. When I did my makeup for the movies, I used this. I didn't have to rinse. It cleaned it. I think what it does is when you pour it into whatever you're pouring into and you swivel your brush, it takes off the makeup and everything, and this is so good. I'm gonna link this down below. Like I said, I'm gonna link everything. But what else I got is this. Now this is the old bottle. The new bottle is currently in my shower, but I got the Nécessaire body wash in Sandalwood. Can you see that? No, you can't. This right here, as you can tell, I love it. It's completely gone. Used it all. This body wash is so, like, it makes me so soft. It's so nourishing. It smells great. It's so good. And they also have a fragrance-free one if you don't want one that has a fragrance in it. But it's very faint. It's very faint, but it lingers. I love that. I love the fact that it lingers. Now, to continue with the skin, I bought this lip repair from Skin Fix. And it is a lip balm. Now, with me, like I said, I do have dry skin, which is why I get products like this for my dry lips, for my dry skin. So, I have not tried this yet, so I can't give you any advice on this, but when I do, I will let you guys know if I like it or not. And I also, to go along with it, I also bought this Skin Fix Eczema Plus Derma Itis Face Balm. Now this, again, it treats dryness and dermatitis, which is like eczema. And I have not been diagnosed with eczema. And it looks like this. It looks exactly like the balm. I am still trying to figure out with my doctor what is going on with my skin. So I did buy this. But he told me to hold on using this. So that way, whatever we figure out, this doesn't interfere with what's going on with my skin. So I have not used this yet. I have not used these two. So once I start using these, I will let you guys know once I get the go ahead from my doctor about this. But this, I feel like I can use because it's only on my lips. And I'll let you guys know if it works. On to perfume. Now, what I got the Idol Lancome perfume. Now, the reason why I got this is because I am a Zendaya fan. And when I saw the ad, I was like, okay, I'm getting it. I ain't even gotta smell it. I ain't even gotta go into the store. I'ma get it. And it's such a cute bottle. Now, I do wish that it had the name on it. It's really cute packaging. It does say Lancome. Let's get a whiff of this now, shall we? Oh, that smells so good. It smells very floral. So good. It smells like feminine, like I said, but grown woman. It smells really good. And the other scent that I got is this Coco Chanel Mademoiselle. I got these, like I said, during the VIB sale, but I did not want to open anything without unboxing them on camera first. I didn't want you guys to miss out on the experience with me. I absolutely love the packaging. So sleek, so beautiful, and of course, and I did get everything, like I said, on Sephora.com. I got it on the app. Now, I got this small bottle because I've never smelled this. but it is so cute. I love the packaging. So sleek, so cute. And I don't think I've ever smelled this scent before, the Mademoiselle, the Coco Mademoiselle one. Ooh. Oh yeah, this is a show. This is one of those perfumes you wear when like you're going out on a date. This would be the perfect date night scent. This would be the perfect date night scent. Now, I also got the Libre and Céline Parfum. Now, a lot of people say perfume when they're saying parfum, but it's actually parfum. Packaging is sleek, cute. Now, this is the infamous YSL packaging. Beautiful, sleek. I love the top. That is very, very fruity. It has a there's a familiar scent to this. I'm trying to figure out what it is. There's something about it. There's something about it. If I can figure it out, I'll insert whatever I'm trying to say here. But this smells. When I said that this was grown, like these two were grown women. These two are grown women. This is grown woman. This is CEO. I am going into the office. This right here. This smells so good. Oh my gosh. Now this is like special occasions. Special occasions. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. This is it for the unboxing. There is nothing else. There is nothing else I need to haul. Well, there are, but they have nothing to do with this. I do have a few more things that I'm going to be unboxing soon. Be you, be true, and I'll see you in the next video. Lego.